So over here, you can see that I am inside of a team right here. And within a team, you can see that there's something called general. So this is a channel where general conversations happen. So you can go around, start new conversations right here and start typing around. You can send out the messages. And this is sent to all of the team members. But if you want to be specific, let's say, for example, for specific work, you want specific members and you want specific channels, then you can manage the channels out by going around over here. So you can see that once you click, here you can see that you can add a channel. So once you go around and add a channel right here, you can go around and then type in a channel name. So I'm just going to go around and say tutor example right here, just like this. And you can see that you can set the privacy level to standard or private right here. Standard meaning everyone on the team has access, but if it means private, then even if there are members in the team, only specific selected team members will be able to join that private channel. So I'm going to say standard right here, and then over here you can see it says you can automatically show the channel in everyone's channel list as well, just like this, and click on add. And what happens is that a public channel, a general channel that gets added out. And there you go, there's the tutor example, as you can see. You can go around over here and click on the three dot icon right here. And now what you can also do is you can go around and add in a channel right here. And this is the standard channel, as you can see. And instead of this, you can also go around and select private. And on the private channel, let's say this is going to be tutor, let's say, for example, tutor private right here, just like this. And this is for specific members, as you can see. So now in this particular channel, you have to type in specific members that you want to add in itself. Just like this, you can go around and add in specific members right here, just like this. And you can make them an owner or a member and press done right here to add them out onto the channel right here. And then you can see a lock over here, just like this, mentioning that it is a private channel. You can go around onto the channel right here and access out the channel settings over here as well. But that is something we're going to see in upcoming videos. So that is how you can set out public and private channels inside of Microsoft Teams. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.